Welcome back, Gadget Geeks. Today we're diving into 8 mind-blowing gadgets of 2025 that are way ahead of their time. From a sci-fi smart lock that scans your eyes, to a wearable cooler that freezes without ice, these aren't just cool, they're game changers. Whether you're upgrading your ride, securing your home, or staying fresh on the go, we've got something that'll blow your tech-loving mind. This is Olto Infinite Machine Street Legal Beast made for the bike lane. No license, no insurance, and yes, it's 100% legal to ride almost anywhere. Built with rugged automotive-grade parts, this thing is made to live outside and ride hard. With a top speed of 33 miles per hour and a 40-mile range, it's got power and endurance. The removable UL-certified battery? Safe to charge indoors. Olto is smart too, locked and tracked with your phone, tamper-proof, and built with security in mind. Want to ride with a friend? It's passenger-ready with pop-out foot pegs and a full-length seat. And with integrated tech, lighting, and modular accessories, Olto adapts to your lifestyle. This isn't just an e-bike, it's a next-gen ride for the streets. Tired of messy wires and slow charging? Meet VitaLink Gen 2, the world's first wireless charging dock that's also a Bluetooth phone. Get 15 watts fast wireless charging for your iPhone, 5 watts for AirPods, and 3 watts for your Apple Watch, or the included Bluetooth handset. Answer or hang up calls with just one tap. Control volume or wake Siri instantly, all from the sleek, foldable handset. Its foldable and extendable design fits perfectly on desks or travel bags. Powered by Bluetooth 5.4, it delivers crystal-clear audio and up to 48 hours of standby. Plus, its dual-zone layout keeps everything neat while charging multiple devices at once. No more clutter, no more missed calls. This isn't just a charger, it's your all-in-one wireless command center. Forget melting ice and bulky coolers, meet SofaChill, the world's first soft backpack cooler with a built-in compressor that cools down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. With a real 23 cubic capacity, it fits drinks, meals, and more without wasting space on ice. It's lightweight at just 13 pounds, making it perfect for hikes, beach trips, and off-grid adventures. The T-Zip sealed zipper and triple-layer insulation keep it 100% leak-proof and cold for over 42 hours. Charge it your way, wall outlet, car charger, or the B-Cell 99 power bank for up to 8 hours of cordless chill. Set the exact temp with a digital control panel and enjoy true fridge-level performance on the go. No ice, no hassle, just cold, fresh storage wherever life takes you. This isn't a cooler, it's your portable freezer backpack built for serious explorers. This is the 70mm Dashcam 4K T800, a triple-camera beast that captures everything, front, rear, and inside your ride. It's the brand's first-ever 3-channel debut, diving into the 4K world with dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors for ultra-clear footage. You get 360-degree coverage with HDR across all 3 channels, that's 4K front, 1080p interior, and 4K rear, delivering a cinematic view that zooms in on every detail. Powered by Color Vivid Plus solution, it sharpens plates, signs, and everything that matters. Driving at night? No problem. 70mm Night Owl Vision keeps your footage crisp and clear even in total darkness. Need remote access? The 70mm Lumi Vision system and 24H Parking Guardian have your back. And with buffered emergency recording, it captures those key moments before and after any impact. This isn't just a dash cam, it's your car's full-time eyewitness. Meet the Roku indoor camera, your all-in-one, ultra-simple home security cam. Whether you're checking in on your baby, your pet, or just making sure the house is chill, this camera has your back. It streams in 1080p full-color HD, even in pitch darkness. With motion and sound detection, you'll get instant alerts the moment anything moves or makes noise. The best part? You can view the live feed right from your Roku TV, smartphone, or even with your voice using Alexa, Google Assistant, or Roku Voice. Talk through it, hear what's going on, or scroll through 14 days of cloud footage with a smart home subscription. Setup is simple, and with Wi-Fi 6, it stays connected anywhere indoors. Smart, fast, and super reliable. This isn't just a camera, it's peace of mind made by Roku. This is Xooec, the world's first smart lock with true military-grade iris recognition, now made for your front door. It scans your eye from up to 80 centimeters away and unlocks in just 1 second totally hands-free. Whether you're wearing glasses, makeup, or walking in the dark, Xooec's AI-driven lens nails it every time. It detects you from 120 centimeters away using radar and wakes instantly with zero lag. With 4 unlock modes, iris, password, key tag, and physical key, you get flexibility without compromising security. And with 100% local data storage, your info never touches the cloud. Built from solid aluminum alloy, it's both smart and tough. Plus, a built-in 10-inch touchscreen lets you see, talk, and unlock for visitors in real time. Xooec is the ultimate blend of sci-fi security and everyday practicality. Tired of sticky underarms and constant deodorant reapplication? Meet PitShower, the world's first compact water-powered underarm cleaner. It uses a rotating microfiber brush and smart spray tech to remove sweat and odor at the source. No chemicals, no mess. Just add water, press the button, and feel instantly refreshed. Its built-in smart sensor activates the spray only when the brush touches your skin, saving water and preventing splashes. With 3 brush speeds, a dual water filter, and a 2000 mAh battery for up to 15 uses per charge, it's perfect for life on the go. Compact, USB-C rechargeable, and travel-ready, whether it's after the gym, before a meeting, or on a long road trip. You can even add a drop of baby cleanser for a gentle scent. Reusable, eco-friendly, and skin-safe, PitShower isn't just a cleaner, it's a whole new way to stay fresh. Ditch the deodorant, freshen up anywhere, anytime, with just water. Meet the Dipal D1, the world's first curved screen 3D AI character pod that turns your anime fantasies into interactive reality. With a stunning 2.5K OLED curved display, Dipal lets you build your own AI soulmate, choose from over 70,000 characters, or craft one from scratch. It reacts to your voice, touch, gaze, and gestures using multimodal AI, with perfect lip sync, real-time emotions, and even smart idle animations. Whether it's a cheerful Genki girl or a moody tsundere, every character is fully customizable: looks, voice, quirks, even their backstory. Powered by Bluetooth 5.3, it also works as a personal assistant, handling alarms, reminders, and smart home control. And yes, it remembers you, your tone, your habits, your mood. Dipal isn't just smart, it's emotionally alive. This isn't the future, it's your new favorite companion. That's it for today, Gadget Geeks. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more future-ready tech every week. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious,